Today on the 50 Hotels and 50-Day Challenge, we are going into one of my favorite neighborhoods of Coconut Grove. And we are going to visit the Mayfair Hotel, one of the iconic hotels here in the city. Now, let's review the rules here. I'm going in unannounced. I'm looking for a service or amenity that's available to everybody and is in a public area. So let's go inside and see what we discover. Welcome to the iconic Mayfair Hotel in Coconut Grove, 179 rooms designed by architect Kenneth TriStar. It is a work of art throughout the entire property, and you can see the imagination he put into this place. Here at the entrance, you walk through into this lush, beautiful botanical garden that spreads throughout the entire property. As you look up, you are surrounded by these hanging gardens, and you can walk through them in all areas of the property. I love this atrium. It is a beautiful place to be. Now let's head up to the pool deck. I want to quickly show you this area. This bar is called Sip Sip, and one of the better rooftop bars in the city, connected to a beautiful pool. But I want to take you back downstairs where we find their custom Moki vehicle that is available to rent. You, your friends, and family can rent this Moki and cruise around Coconut Grove in style. It's the first time I've seen this at a hotel, and I would love to use this to enjoy the beautiful weather and take in the scenes. So next time you're visiting Coconut Grove, make sure to check out the Mayfair Hotel.